Everybody, as you have seen, I have a critical situation here and we need to deal with it. Yes, we do, we definitely do. So I have been saving up my armpit hair for you guys. Okay, I have been letting my armpit hair grow so that I can do for you guys a video on something that I actually discovered, and I think it's dope, it's amazing, and I hope you guys are gonna love it. I had about hard wax beans. Yes. So there are small pebbles and they're like wax, but they're just in bean format. So I heard about them and I thought I should maybe try them out, and I wanted to try them out with you guys. Yeah. So the way they work is that you just boil them. You boil them in a tin, like you just I can't remember the method, but you just like put a bigger tin under then a smaller tin. Okay, I'm just gonna show you guys. Yeah. So and then after that you just apply, let it dry, then peel it off. Yeah, that's it, and you're good to go. Like they do not really cost a lot. Yeah, I'll tell you guys, or I'm gonna put all the details in the description below. Yeah, for where you can get these, how much, and the process of how to actually use it. Yeah, it's all gonna be down in the description down below, and just go check it out and you're gonna be good to go. Yeah, so let's do this and see how it works out. Yeah, so I believe you can actually use it on your facial hair, your armpit hair, and your hair, like your hair. Yeah, there. So yeah, so let's do this and see how it is. Follow me, guys. Come. Hey guys, so we're back, and all you need is just some water in a big container, as I told you guys. So here we go. I had got some before. Then you'll need like this here, and then so we're gonna open this up and yeah, just put them in here and then boil it up. Hey guys, so I let the water boil first before putting in the dish with the hard wax, and this is the amount of wax I put in, and this is what's left. Yeah, so I think, okay, we all know glass doesn't really react with, I mean, preferably they say you use a metal dish also, but I don't have that, so I'll just stick to the glass one. Yeah, so let's wait and see. I'll be back. As you can see, it started melting up. And yeah, so I have a spatula, and you can see it's becoming like as consistent as wax should be. Yeah. Yay! Okay, so we're like 7 minutes down, I think. Yeah, so I'm gonna wait for it to like boil for like 10 minutes, and yeah, let it cool for a bit, because you're not supposed to use wax when it's hot. Yes, so as you can see, the water is really boiling, and there we are. Yep, so let's keep on waiting until it's ready. Yep. 10 minutes later, so we are out in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, Yeah, so let's let it cool for like a few, then use it when it's not so hot. Yeah, so I'll be back, guys. I'll be back. Hey guys, so I'm back and we are ready. Like, here's the wax. So there's the consistency. It's not so hot, like I can hold the bowl. And so I'll just be looking at my mirror and applying it. I have no idea how to do this, but anyways, we're gonna crack it. So yeah. Right here. Wow. Okay. I hope you guys can see it. I'm not the best applicate person in this ever, but you know, I think this is what I see my wax lady doing. So yeah. Oh God, I'm so bad at this. I should have done one side first. So I think it's dry. I don't know, I hope you can see well. The application is messy, I'm not a pro, but I'm just gonna let it dry a bit, then pull it. Yeah, so I think I can do it now. So, wish me luck. Oh, actually good. Look. Oh my God, yeah. My hair, it's not so bad. Like, maybe after some time I'll get used to it and know what to be doing. That's clean. Guys, no hair. So clean. It's so clean, guys. Yeah, so no hairs at all. So yeah, this side now. Ah. Okay. So this side chucked better than this other one. I mean, like the peel off. So here are the two peel offs, and it has hair on it, as you can see. I don't know if you can see well. Okay, that's disgusting. But yeah, it's chucked well, and I still have more wax here to use, guys. I still have more wax. Yeah, so it's amazing. It's really good. So I can now start the weekend off well, and wear my dresses peacefully. Yeah, without fear of raising my hands, guys. So from the package, 1 minute. So from the package it says that do not use on broken, irritated skin. It's suitable for legs, underarms, chest, back. What else? Following the instructions. If you're trying it for the first time, try it on a patch of your skin, but I really trust my skin is already used to waxing, so it's okay for me. If you are on medication and it's for the skin, do not apply it on any skin area, you know. And then do not use within 2 hours of showering, bathing, or sunbathing. So you can do it before then now go shower. Yes. So yes. Yeah, that's it, guys. So the had been marks. It comes in different colors. There's dark blue, there's light blue, there's pink, there's green. Yeah, so it's really amazing. And as you see, guys, my armpits are clear, so probably using it over time, the darkening of the armpits will get better. So yeah, I hope you loved the video, and if you did, if it was helpful, guys, if you want more videos like that, do not forget to comment down below and let me know. Tell me what you guys want me to try out. I'm gonna try it out. And if you love the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Yes, yeah, do not forget to turn on the notification bell and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Yes, we need more followers, and I am happy to announce that I have reached 100 subscribers, and it's, for me, it's a big thing. I'm actually glad for that. Yeah, so let's keep on, guys, let's keep on. I love you all.
Yeah, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, it's your homie Smith Dog in here. Subscribe to the channel.